Dealing with the Libhpdf Library DLL error in Haru PDF app? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. Get the professional Libhpdf library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Libhpdf library, the Haru Free PDF Library. It provides unmanaged routines for the programmatic generation of PDF documents. It manages the orchestration of page layouts, font embedding, and vector graphic manifests to facilitate high-fidelity document data links. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Libhpdf belongs to Haru PDF bundle. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Haru PDF will restore this file and related components. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Libhpdf library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Remember that manual replacement of Libhpdf Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for Libhpdf library references. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Libhpdf library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.